Hi everyone, it's William here. If you want to support your ear health naturally, let me introduce you to Quietum Plus first. Always buy from the official website to avoid fake products and stay protected with their refund policy. Here is what it does: supports hearing health, helps reduce ringing and buzzing in the ears, boosts brain and cognitive function, made with natural vitamins and herbs, also promotes relaxation and stress relief. Just take 2 capsules a day with a meal. Stay consistent and you may see great results. Thousands of users are already noticing better hearing and less tinnitus. Check the link in the description and take control of your ear health today.